Racing as they battle for the 2011 Philrecom Perido. We have next Big Thing Break Quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside is Gentle Irony. 3 lengths back in third comes Batang Tundo. Multiply in the middle portion is Juggling Act, while Botbo is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And into the drive for the first time we have next Big Thing Gentle Irony in second on the outside. 4 lengths further back in third comes Batang Tundo. Then next on line is Multiply. Juggling Act comes next, while Botbo is still racing in less by about 10 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, we have Gentle Irony. Down on the inside is next Big Thing. Batang Tundo remains in third. Then comes Multiply. Next on line is Juggling Act, while Botbo is still racing in less. And as they swing down the back, we have 4A Gentle Irony maintaining a length and a half lead. And in second is next Big Thing Batang Tundo, now trying to get closer in third. Multiply comes next, Juggling Act, while Botbo is still racing in last. And at the far turn we have 4A Gentle Irony still in command, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Batang Tundo in second. Next Big Thing is down in third. Multiply is racing in fourth. Juggling Act comes next, while Botbo is still racing in last. Time is running out as the competition now reached the home stretch. We have Gentle Irony by our length and a half. Batang Tundo in second. Juggling Act moving up on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Gentle Irony this time by about 3 lengths over Juggling Act, and finally Gentle Irony, Juggling Act, Multiply, then comes Batang Tundo, Botbo, and next Big Thing.
Alright, so 2-4.